What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here at Route 66 Bowl with the world's longest bowling lane. And if you guys are ever in Chandler, Oklahoma, give this place a stop because this is one of the coolest buildings we see. Whoa! Whoa! It's a lot of hook. Too much. Might be a plastic ball kind of day. It's just really
Yeah, you'll have to get
away.
that thing probably to like 3 board.
Oh my God, yeah. Let me see the reactive ball. Oh,
Yeah, no.
it's hooking so much. I'm definitely good at, I'm good at getting the 3 off the right. Hook!
Oh,
whoa!
See, hey, it almost came up a little high, but
Dangled on the edge. I don't know if you guys can see, but out here, it doesn't look like a long way, but I'm already like a almost full regulation set away from you guys, and I still got another like 40 feet to go. So this actually, it doesn't look that far away, but once you start walking, it just feels like you never get closer to the pins. And if you guys are liking this video so far, don't be afraid, click that subscribe button down below, because at 90,000 subscribers, we're giving away a ball every day for the rest of the year. So the quicker we get there, the more balls we can give away. So don't be afraid, click that subscribe button, and let's get back to the video. We're officially doing this, you ready?
All right. Yep.
What's the score we're going for? 170? 217? All right, pray for me. $300 still intact. Still intact. I didn't strike all of warm-ups. 0 strikes. I just know the only way to get to 217 is probably like 9 strikes with 2 missed spares. Hook! Two for 2. I didn't know if that was in the gutter, if it was getting 6 through the middle. All right, so this is Levi, the head mechanic here at Route 66 Bowl. How many games have actually been bowled up here?
I'd probably say somewhere around 30.
And the record score is obviously what I want to go for. So what am I trying to shoot?
217.
So above 217, we're breaking records. The upstairs portion, so only about 30 games, so it's not really open all the time.
No.
Maybe like a special request, a birthday party here or there, but like it's got to be call ahead, tell you guys you're coming in, give them a nice tip, and then maybe you guys can bowl here too. 217, it just doesn't feel right. Feels like that's high.
What's crazy, he didn't even strike until he started. I think he was sandbagging.
I got some advice from the cameraman. Matt gave me some tips.
Cameraman's always lining him up.
Yeah, I need you there on the challenges to line me up instead of lining all my friends up. Oh no! Getting a little too excited. I don't think I'll ever get to do something like this again. Like, I don't think this will ever be replicated. Oh no. I think every shot, if I just say, oh no,
Yeah.
I think it goes way better for me. That's even worse than the last one. We're halfway home. 5 frames in, 5 strikes. I think it's just gonna be so disappointing when I shoot like 212 here after having the front 5. I haven't shot a spare yet. I can't imagine my spare game's any better on this than it is in real life, and it's already not great in real life. Oh, that's in the gutter. Yes! Means I'm already at like 120. I just need 90 something in the back 4 frames. Okay. Oh, that's not good. That's like 6. Brooklyn! Oh, this can't be going any better than it already is. Physically impossible to go better. I feel like every shot has been not great, and they've all struck so far. Sometimes the cameraman just lines you up.
What ball are you from?
Purple Hammer, reactive. The reactive one. Yeah, if you're ever coming out to bowl on 101 foot, this is the ball. Oh my God. I thought that was my best shot yet, and it was the weirdest looking one so far.
I'd say the mechanic's back there kicking down pins.
But he's right here. He can't be back there. We got the front 8. I'm nervous. Usually I'm like a little nervous. I'm very nervous. There's no way I'm making that. Dang. Too nervous.
Dreading the spare balls coming out.
Here's the thing, though.
I threw a lot of shots with the spare ball. They were just not spare shots. Once this place is fully functional, they're thinking about doing a contest where it would be $20,000 to the first person to shoot 300. They need some help, and I want you guys to help them out here. Comment down below what you guys would pay for a one-time chance to shoot 300. And you can keep entering at that price, but what price would you guys pay for the chance to try and shoot 300 on a 101 foot lane?
You got any advice for this corner pin spare here?
I was thinking of throwing...
Don't jump out of the gutter.
Don't jump out of the gutter?
Just don't jump out of the gutter.
I was thinking of
Keep it on
throwing
lane.
a little bit of a reverse hook here, just a touch, because I think that's the only chance I have.
Uh-oh. Jeez.
High level spare shot, nervous the whole time. This is just, it's so tricky to your eyes. Like when you're here, you see it and you're like, oh my God, that's going in the gutter. And then it just like keeps going down the lane for another 40 feet, which usually is the whole lane distance. I'm like, oh, that's way right. And then I see it, I'm like, oh no, I still got like probably 75 feet to hook just a little bit.
It hasn't even hit the dry yet.
Yeah, hasn't even hit the part where it's actually gonna hook. Oh, not
How long would you say the battery?
I think it was 80 feet.
You said you laid out like a 57 footer and then a 20.
57 and then a 23.
Off the back end
and
of that,
it's oiled to about the 3 board on both sides.
We call this a modified house shot, and we're gonna really emphasize the modified part. The 80-foot house shot. Let me know if you guys have bowled on that one. That's gonna go Brooklyn. 250. Shucks. Damn, it was going so well for me. I will say though, if I was to bowl another game after this, 155 max. Maximum 155. All right. If I made a big 4 there though, I shot 254, new record by 37. I don't know if anybody's gonna beat that for a while. 254, I was super appreciative of the opportunity just to bowl on a 101 foot lane. Again, I don't think this is an opportunity I'm ever gonna get to have anywhere else besides Chandler, Oklahoma at Route 66 Bowl, so make sure you guys stop through here if you're ever in Oklahoma or ever around the Oklahoma City area. Make sure you come here, check this bowling alley out, and try and shoot. Maybe by the time you guys come here, maybe you could try and shoot a 300 for 20 grand.
What do people need to do if they want to bowl here, Levi?
Just call up, ask the front desk, and then whenever you get here, just try to find a mechanic, and we'll bring you up here to bowl.
We were talking about the facility just like as, you know, walking around this place. It's almost like a museum of like old street signs, gas signs. They have old gas pumps. Their bar is unbelievable. They hold leagues here on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and it's a regulation facility downstairs. But up here, as you guys can see, they got the 101 foot and the world's longest bowling lane. Just a really one-of-a-kind bowling alley for sure. I've never seen a bowling alley this well decorated, really just this cool on the inside.